You will never be able to make a lot of sales with Facebook ad if you don't know these 6 type of audiences that I'm going to talk about. You see, most Facebook advertisers do not understand who these audiences are, and that is why they are not making more sales with Facebook ad. I personally use this audience to make more sales with my adverts, and in this video I'm going to show you exactly who they are and how to use it. It is called the custom audiences when it comes to Facebook ad. Custom audiences are those audiences that Facebook allow you to create based on the people who have ever interacted with your business. So when it comes to custom audiences, we have different type of audiences. We have the video views, we have the Facebook page engagers, we have the Instagram page engagers, we have website visitors. We have different kind of audiences, but I'm going to talk about 6 type of audiences in this video that you should be creating as a Facebook ad. The first one is called the website visitors. So let's assume you have set up your pixel very well, and if you don't know how to set up your pixel, I have created a video. The link will be in the description. Once you have set up your pixel and you are sending people from Facebook to your website, Facebook is taking record of everybody who goes from Facebook to your website. After some time, you can tell Facebook, I want to be able to retarget everybody who have visited my website but they did not buy. It's called a website visitors, and with just one click you can create an audience that contains everybody who have ever visited your website. That is how it works. The second type of audience is called the video views. Oh, I love video views a lot. Video views allows you to create an audience of people who have ever watched your video for the past 1 year. So let's assume you've posted almost 200 videos. You can create an audience of everybody who have watched your video. Is it that they watched 3 seconds, 5 seconds, 10 minutes? Everybody who have watched your video, you can create an audience of all of them, and you'll be able to retarget them with your adverts. The third type of audiences are called the lead form. If you are using lead form on Facebook, you will be able to create an audience of everybody who have ever submitted form, or even people who opened the form but they did not fill in their details. You can retarget them and get them to come back and fill in their form. This particular lead form is super important if you are using lead form for your adverts, because a lot of people will open their form and they do not fill it. So that retargeting ad will allow you to send them back to go and fill that form. Have you ever had this scenario where you saw an advert, you wanted to click on it and complete, but something got you distracted and then you left? When you came back, you no longer see the ad. It happens to everyone. But with retargeting ad, you can send the advert back to them, and when they see it, they'll be like, yes, I have seen this advert before. Let me quickly go on and complete my registration. Let me quickly go on and complete my purchase. That is why retargeting ad is super important. And a lot of Facebook advertisers are not using it. That's a lot of mistake that you'll be making. Please ensure that you subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell, because my next video will show you practical steps on how to create this type of audiences inside Facebook Ad Manager. You don't want to miss it for any reason. So go ahead and subscribe and turn on the notification bell. The next type of audience you should be retargeting with your ad is called the customer list. Customer list is a simple list that you create by uploading all the emails of your customers in the past years, and you tell Facebook, I want to retarget everybody that is inside this list. It's a very powerful audience that you need to be retargeting if you are running Facebook ad. Now, the fifth type of audience is called the Instagram page engagers. For everyone who have ever interacted with your Instagram, you should be able to create a retargeting ad. If they like your post, if they reacted to your profile, if they followed you, you can create an audience of everybody in that particular audience, and you'll be able to retarget them with your ad. These are powerful audiences that you're not taking advantage of simply because you do not know about these audiences before. You don't want to miss my next video, which will show you exactly how to create this type of audiences. So please subscribe to this channel and turn on notification bell, and I will see you in the next video.